English tongue twisters for beginners. Truly rural, Greek grapes, flowers flew, Peggy Babcock, unique New York, Eddie edited it. Nice night light, nice night light. Knapsack straps, she sees cheese, snap crackle pop, cheap sheep soup, fresh fried fish, 3 free throws. 6 sticky stamps, 6 sticky stamps. 3 free throws, selfish shellfish, literally literary. Rolling red wagons, soldiers' shoulders. 6 slippery snails, stupid superstition, thin mint, twin mint. Thin mint, twin mint. 6 sticky skeletons, good blood, bad blood, lovely lemon liniment. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear, red lorry, yellow lorry. Gooey gum growing green, whistle for the thistle. 2 toads totally tired, 2 toads totally tired. 6 thick thistle sticks, thin sticks, thick bricks, rubber baby buggy bumpers. Thin sticks, thick bricks. The blue bluebird blinked. Freshly fried flying fish, a proper copper coffee pot. A proper copper coffee pot. Zebras zig and zebras zag. A proper copper coffee pot. A pleasant peasant plucker. Sheena leads, Sheila needs. Cooks cook cupcakes quickly. Shave a single shingle thin. Yellow leather, red leather. 2 tried and true tridents. 2 tried and true tridents. The queen in green screamed. 11 benevolent elephants. Wise wives wish wise men win. A tutor who tooted the flute. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. Friendly fleas and fireflies. A quick-witted cricket critic. Quizzical quiz, kiss me quick. Quizzical quiz, kiss me quick. A quick-witted cricket critic. Pad kid poured curd pulled cod. Tom threw Tim 3 thumbtacks. Betty Botter bought some butter. Sheep shouldn't sleep in a shack. A big bug bit the little beetle. Green glass globes glow greenly. Green glass globes glow greenly. 33 thundering thieves. Crisp crusts crackle and crunch. A bloke's back break block broke. 6 slick slim sycamore saplings. Sheep shouldn't sleep in a shack. Fuzzy Wuzzy wasn't fuzzy, was he? 6 slimy snails sailed silently. Yally Bally had a jolly gollywog. Yally Bally had a jolly gollywog. Scissors sizzle, thistle sizzle. 12 twins twirled 12 twigs. 33 thirsty thunderbirds. 9 nimble noblemen nibbling nuts. Big black bug bit a big black bear. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch. Tiny tigers take 10 taxis to town. 77 benevolent elephants. 77 benevolent elephants. Fresh fried fish, fish fresh fried. Friendly Frank flips fine flapjacks, She sells seashells by the seashore. She saw a sheet sleet on the street. Which witch wished which wicked wish? Shy Shelley says she shall sew sheets. Shy Sarah saw 6 Swiss wristwatches. Shy Sarah saw 6 Swiss wristwatches. Wayne went to Wales to watch walruses. 9 nice night nurses nursing nicely. Wayne went to Wales to watch walruses. Mary Mac's mother's making Mary Mac marry me. Near an ear, a nearer ear, a nearly eerie ear. Real rock wall, real rock wall, real rock wall. A proper cup of coffee from a copper coffee pot. Betty's big bunny bobbled by the blueberry bush. 5 frantic frogs fled from 50 fierce fishes. 5 frantic frogs fled from 50 fierce fishes. A skunk sat on a stump, and thunk the stump stunk. 5 fuzzy French frogs frolic through the fog. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck? Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Imagine an imaginary menagerie manager. We surely shall see the sunshine soon. Aluminum, linoleum, aluminum, linoleum, aluminum, linoleum, aluminum, linoleum. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. Clam crews clean creamy clams carefully. A big black bear sat on a big black rug. I saw Susie sitting in a shoeshine shop. 6 sleek swans swam swiftly southwards. Smiley Sam smiles the same smiley smile. The big black bug bit the big black bear. The big black bug bit the big black bear. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish. A twister of twists once twisted a twist. The sharpshooter shot 76 shots. Clumsy Clem cleaned the cluttered closet. The big black bug bit the big black bear. Tiny Tim trims the tall tree with tinsel. 3 grey geese in a green field grazing. Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread. Fred fed Ted bread and Ted fed Fred bread. 4 furious friends fought for the phone. Which wristwatches are Swiss wristwatches? 4 furious friends fought for the phone. The keen king kissed the kind queen kindly. Which witch switched the Swiss wristwatches? Gobbling gargoyles gobbled gobbling goblins. Can you can a can as a can a can? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Silly Sally swiftly shooed 7 silly sheep. Vicky vacuum cleaned the vivacious Valentine. A box of mixed biscuits. A mixed biscuit box. 33,000 feathers on a thrush's throat. lesser leather, never weathered wetter weather better. The crow flew over the river with a lump of raw liver. Brisk, brave brigadiers brandished broad, bright blades. Chester cheetah chewed a chunk of cheap cheddar cheese. Round and round the rugged rocks the ragged rascal ran. Round and round the rugged rocks the ragged rascal ran. Three thin thinkers thinking thick thoughtful thoughts. A big black bug bit a big black dog on his big black nose. I slit the sheet I slit, and on the slitted sheet I sit. A box of biscuits, a box of mixed biscuits, and a biscuit mixer. The little turtle turned the television to the tennis tournament. Reese watched Ross switch his Irish wristwatch for a Swiss wristwatch.